Hello beautiful, it's Foxy, welcome back to my channel. In today's beauty therapy video, I'm gonna show you how I created this beautiful festival hairstyle using Wavytalk Power Wave Hair Crimping Iron. This look was inspired by Zara Larsson. If you're going to Coachella this year, believe me, this is definitely an amazing option. Girl, you're gonna shine bright and stand out in the crowd with those waves. This Wavytalk crimping iron is unbelievably easy to use. Every single time my hair turns out perfect, and I don't even do anything special. It's super easy and effortless. If you struggle with getting wavy hairstyles, I would definitely suggest you to look into Wavytalk products, because here I have another brand crimping iron for comparison, and you can definitely tell that Wavytalk will give you a more defined result due to its deep V shape. And by the way, they launched this gorgeous Coachella limited edition bundles, and look at this pretty peach color. I'm literally in love with it. I will leave the link in the description of this video. This Wavytalk crimper has 8 temperature settings and 4 timer settings, so everyone can comfortably use it without damaging the hair. Because everybody is different, and here's a little cheat sheet for you if you don't know what settings to use for your hair type. You don't need to count seconds to understand if it's enough. Power Wave will do it for you and let you know with this sound that it's enough. This Power Wave crimper has built-in anti-scalp protection that shields your scalp and fingers from heat. I never get my scalp hot or hurt with this tool. Advanced ventilation design disperses heat evenly to minimize moisture loss and frizz, while the dual barrel design minimizes repetitive heat exposure. Dual-channel negative ion vents smooth frizz, tame static, and boost shine for a silky smooth and touchable finish. It also remembers your preferred settings, so you just turn it on and it already puts the setting that you used previous time. And look at that final result. I'm amazed at this healthy shine and bounce of the waves. And not only it looks beautiful, it will also last for days. I can bet that it will look even more beautiful tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. I hope it was interesting and helpful for you. Take care of yourself and see you later in the next video. With love, your Foxy.